A baby fox is called a kit. It begins life in a cozy den under the ground. The kit is small, with eyes closed tight. It stays close to its mother, safe and warm. Mother fox brings food to the den. She shares it with her kit to help it grow. The kit's eyes soon open. It peeks out at the wide, windy grasslands. The kit plays outside the den. It tumbles and pounces in the soft grass. Its fluffy tail keeps it warm in the cold. The kit learns to hide in the tall grass. It cannot hunt yet. Mother brings back picas and other small animals. The kit grows stronger each day. It learns to stalk and leap, just like a fox. One day, the kit will leave the den. It will hunt on its own across the Tibetan Plateau. For now, the little fox kit is happy with its family.